Hey everyone! Today, follow Dad and me out to the yard as we build a seriously awesome mini villa for our pet rabbits. Grab your popcorn and watch us build this 2-in-1 house and pool combo for these bunnies. First up, Dad marks out a rectangle on the ground. Then we dig out all the dirt inside. Next, Dad starts building the rabbit house and fish tank combo. 2-in-1? How cool is that? While at it, he installs the water pipes. Then, packs in soil for the rabbit house foundation. Cement all over, inside, outside, rabbit house now armored. Shaping up the front and side walls. Facelift for the bunny villa. But wait, plot twist. Dad builds a mini windmill. Go big or go home. Cement and shaping the windmill base. He recycles 3 plastic bottles into waterfall spouts, eco-friendly and budget. Cuts the bottoms off and sticks PVC pipes inside. Fills them with cement. Then he bends plastic sheets into a curve. Boom! An adorable windmill roof. Pops the windmill on top. Once the spout dries, he attaches it to the bunny house wall. Back to smoothing the rabbit floor. Now it's painting time. Inside gets painted lime green, fresh vibes, plus water pipes locked in. Empty beer bottles? Not trash. Dad lines them up into a fence. Genius and stylish. Reuse scrap wood and ceiling panels into bunny house roof. Windmill goes into the fish tank. Adds a planter box, green space vibes like a bunny resort. More recycled bottles to make another fence around the fish tank. Outer fence secured, no bunny jailbreaks allowed. The outside of the hutch gets a dreamy purple paint. He adds a pop of vibrant orange as an accent on the hutch and windmill. Fence painted sky blue. Now Dad's installing the dividers and the pump in the filtration system. Fill it up, soak for 5 days. After 5 days, drain it all out. He loads up the filter with ceramic media, lays down some gravel on the bottom, and then plants some greenery and decorates around the pond. Finally, fresh water goes in. Fish in the tank. And here's the grand reveal. A full-on garden villa with a pool and a windmill for rabbits. A green, clean, and super cute living space with all the amenities for our little furry friends. What do you think? Pretty awesome, right? Thanks a ton for sticking with me through this quirky little build. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any of my weird, wonderful, and totally unique DIY ideas. See you in the next one.